Hey guys, Mower Medic 1. Today I want to do a little video for you Stihl guys out there. The other day I did a spark arrestor cleaning, or I fixed the engine on a SRM. What was it, a 210 or maybe it was a 260? I can't remember. But anyway, about a week ago I did a exhaust video on a 2-cycle trimmer and got it running, and that video has just gone, it has exploded. I've got lots of good feedback from y'all, and so I went back into the old archives of like 7 years ago, and I found a video that I posted, and it doesn't have very many views, only got like 30,000 views. My new video that I posted the other day has over 100,000 views, and I thank y'all very much. And it's one of the first videos that I ever put out. The video quality stinks, but it's the Stihl 4140 series trimmer with the 4140 engine, and it's doing the same thing as the Echo was on my last video. So bear with me. I'm gonna kind of clean the video up, and I'm gonna repost it, and hopefully we can I can help some of you Stihl guys out there. Anyway, right now, let's watch. Today we have a Stihl trimmer on the bench. The complaint is that it will idle, and when you go to give it gas, it just bogs out, it dies. 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a restricted exhaust system. We'll get it cranked up here and I'll show you what it's doing. Pull the spark arrestor screen off and see what's going on. Using a 16mm, go ahead and take the spark arrestor plug out. As you can tell, it's going to be hot, so don't pick it up. That screen is 100% clogged, and what we do is we get us a MAP gas torch. Burn all the carbon off here. Once you get all the contaminants burnt off of the screen, I'm going to move it into this white disc right here so you can see how all it's clean. You can see all the way through it, and go ahead and put it back into your muffler. Go ahead and tighten it down. Go ahead and get it started up here, and we'll see how it sounds.